What's up guys, my name is Daisy Fire and today I have with me the Swift Z 5.5 wireless monitor kit by CVW. So basically this video is about latency test, distance and the best channel you can use when using the Swift Z. So let's go guys. Let's go. At this point, we started losing signal at 0.23 kilometers. At 0.24 kilometers, we lost signal completely. Converting 0.24 kilometers into feet was almost 800 feet. I guess CVW was right when they said this transmitter can transmit up to 800 feet. So let us know what you think in the comment section. Welcome back guys. Now the next test is the latency test. The Swift Z is said to be an ultra low latency of 70 milliseconds, and in this video we will get to find out. Just as we can see in this video, this is pretty nice despite the connection from the camera to the Swift Z transmitter is via an HDMI cable. Usually there's always latency between monitors and some cameras when you use HDMI connection. So comparing the feed on the transmitter to the feed on the receiver, you can see that it's almost the same. I've been using the Swift Z wireless monitor kit for a while now, and I got to find out that there's no best or recommended channel for you to use. It just depends on the environment you are or the signal interference. So what you should do if you are not getting a good feed on your receiver, I suggest you change the channel until you find the perfect one for you on that location, just like I did in this video. Alright guys, we've come to the end of this video, and if you are new to this channel and you also find this video helpful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video and stay creative.